In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to play Monopoly Go on your PC 2026. We'll keep this simple and smooth. By the end, you'll be rolling dice and building landmarks right from your computer using an Android emulator called BlueStacks. This lets you run the mobile version of the game on your PC without any complicated setup. Start by opening your web browser and going to the official BlueStacks website. Download the installer for Windows or Mac, then run it and follow the on-screen prompts to install. Give it a moment. The first setup can take a bit depending on your internet speed. If your computer asks for permission to make changes, approve it so the installer can complete properly. A quick tip here, make sure you have a stable connection and a little free storage so downloads don't stall. Once BlueStacks is installed, launch it. The first time you open it, it will feel just like turning on a new Android phone. You'll be asked to sign in with a Google account to access the Play Store. Go ahead and sign in. This is required to download apps. If you've used Android before, use the same account to keep things consistent. Don't worry, this process is normal and secure as long as you're on the official app. Inside BlueStacks, look for the Play Store icon on the home screen and open it. In the search bar at the top, type Monopoly Go and press enter. You're looking for the official listing. The title includes an exclamation point. If you see it, tap it to open the game page. This page will show you screenshots, reviews, and the download size so you know what to expect. Click install and let it download and set up. The progress bar will show you how far along it is. If it seems to pause, just give it a moment. Larger games may verify files after downloading. When it's done, you'll see an open button and an icon will appear on your BlueStacks home screen. Open the game to launch it. On the welcome screen, choose how you want to log in. You can use Facebook, Apple, or continue as a guest. Pick whatever you're comfortable with. After that, you're in. Use your mouse to tap on buttons just like you would with your finger on a phone. BlueStacks also supports optional keyboard shortcuts, and you can adjust performance or controls later in its settings if you want a smoother experience. From here, start rolling dice, complete boards, and build landmarks. If the game downloads a small update on first launch, let it finish. Then enjoy playing on the big screen.